Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give it a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about why our hub-centric spacers are better. Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reach a accuracy of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.